Hey squad, old Jack here. It's 1 April and there's no April Fool jokes here today, but I am 4 weeks out from the distal bicep tendon repair, exactly to the day, and my scar is healing pretty well. As you can see there, a lot of wrinkles going on because of my old skin, but that'll fill out again later on. And my range of motion is pretty good. I'm pretty much at full range of motion, full supination and pronation, and just had to keep at it. I think a lot of that is because I keep myself out of the brace as much as I can, as much as I feel it's safe. I don't have any pain, and on Monday I get to move the brace style again. It'll be almost at full length, and that's per the surgeon's orders. My training has been really good, very intense. I'm doing a lot of intense cardio, sprinting, and just a lot of hard work, keeping that body fat off of me the best that I can. Again, my diet has been tweaked, and that's working out well for me as well. I do a lot of isometric type stuff, and for chest and back. I use a sandbag, 30-pound sandbag, 40-pound sandbag. Do the bicep curls to work the other side. Just doing everything that I possibly can do to stay in good condition. Work everything that you can. I'm doing my squats, body weight squats, air squats, Hindu squats, and the like. So that's pretty good. The last time, as far as measurements are concerned, again, I took my measurements before I had my surgery, and I was at 15 and a half each arm, bent but not flexed. And I can show you the last time I checked, this arm was 13 and a half, and I actually got it to the point. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually around 14 now, and I think that's because the brace has been off, and I've been moving it more and more circulation going on. This side it was at 15 and a half beforehand, then it went down to 15, and just bent right now. I'm at about 15 and a quarter. So just keep moving forward. Um, the transfer works. I think there's research that say you could transfer if you do work this side a lot. The body strives for equilibriums, and it tries to transfer some over a little bit. That's the theory. Seems to be working for me, so that's good. So everything is going well, and I'll check back again in a week or two, most definitely on 19 April when I have my last doctor visit and second post-op, and he's probably going to clear me to swim and to do some other things and just keep moving forward. If anybody's going through something like this, you got any questions, just hit me up. Old Jack out.